Okay, Sophia Tomai is on a pony ride here in the farm. Okay. Wait, excuse me, let me go in front, Sophia.
So you live close by?
Yes.
Wait. You like horses?
Yeah.
Yes, you do.
Say I love horses. Okay, no.
She doesn't feel like
¿Hablas tú español?
Yeah, she understands kind of.
She understands like English and Spanish.
Excelente. Viví en Costa Rica 2 años.
Oh, you did? In the capital?
No, in a little town called Atenas, a little town in the mountains.
Oh.
Beautiful. With waterfalls, lots of animals.
Its hair feels good.
Oh, does it? It likes to be pet.
The bottom does.
Yeah.
Feels better than the front.
Oops.
Oh. Oh. You want to go around one more time? Yeah, let's do it.
Come on, horsey.
It's a pony.
It's a pony. It's getting lazy. Wants to stop and go home.
Wait, what's his name?
This one, I believe, is Chloe. No, I think this one's Claire. There's Chloe and Claire.
Say hi, Claire.
Mom.
Claire, come on.
Hi, okay?
He doesn't want to go.
What is
Are you holding on?
She, I mean.
I call him lazy.
She's been working a lot today.
Yes.
Working
She had a
horse.
birthday party, so she had about 15 pony rides just
Yeah.
half an hour ago.
Are you okay?
Yeah, she's okay.
Okay, I take the lazy part back.
Yeah. She's a hard worker.
Yes.
Exhausted, maybe we'd say.
Yes. And I have tons of questions to ask you.
Oh, ask away.
Um,
I'll try to answer them.
why does the ponies like stop?
Well,
don't
these
go.
ponies are pretty well trained, and they know that usually when they're at this point right here, the people get off and on.
I want Cuban breed.
Of course you do.
Will you go get it?
When do you not? Yeah, I'll go get it. You're going to go one more time.
Wait, the legs one more time.
You want to go one more time? Let's see
Oh.
if she'll do it. She's getting tired.
Okay.